Basically, I'm a chartered accountant. And I started my career working with Big Four, mostly in audit department. For 20 years, I worked with two of the Big Four, Deloitte and KPMG. Then 5 years back, I started my own practice. Those clients whom I have brought it on board on the Zoho, none of them has left so far. They really liked it, and I don't have to do much of the marketing. I'm not a marketing person, but the client they themselves are spreading the words. And one of the feature is that when they are sending the bill, their opposite party, when they'll see the bill and quality of the bill, they are asking how you prepared all this in emails and invoice, and then they are referring my name, and then people are coming to me that how you have helped these people, can you help us? So without doing much of the cold calling marketing, with the quality I have progressed, and I have accumulated few of the clients. I have so far worked predominantly on Zoho Books only. Recently I have started onboarding people, at least with the one client onboarding onto the payroll. And I know few little things about inventory and Zoho expenses also. For my own organization, I have already installed payroll and expenses also. We are working on it to get expertise on that. And Zoho Books, my client has preferred, it's a very cost saving and time saving, and basically they can run it on various devices also, and making the whole organization almost paper free, and you don't have to remember so many commands, which in other softwares you need to know the control plus R, control plus V, or alt S or something like that. You don't have to know about all these commands. What you see, what you get. Only after half an hour training also, people have started working on Zoho. That's the beauty of Zoho Books. Some people are reluctant that this seems to be very hi-fi, but once they have started working on it, then they don't want to go back to their old software. And the quality itself is also very good. There are so many reports are getting generated. You can send reminder on SMS. It is very customizable to the individual need. Once we have given a training to so many clients, then they are coming back to us and they are training us that we are using this feature, which we have also not seen those, and we are learning from. So it's a mutual part, and Zoho is very dynamic. Every month on the first day, when we open, we see that this is the new thing on Zoho Books, and those are very exciting features, and which makes the life so easy. And so many of my clients, they were firstly reluctant to prepare a budget, but now with the experience and with our help, they have started preparing their own budget and comparing budget versus actual, and people have started getting control over their businesses. As I said, my clients are inspiring me. So firstly we have started with the Zoho Books, and now my clients themselves are pushing me that Piyush bhai, you go for this Zoho payroll, Zoho inventory. They want to learn more and more features and they want to implement. So from the client we are getting a push, and from my own staff and my own office are also inspiring me, and really I want to get into the other product also, and that's what we are visiting, and we are ready to roll out also in a phased manner the Zoho payroll, Zoho inventory, because Zoho inventory, so many clients are going online, so the need of Zoho inventory is immense. And even the CRM also, those who are after one scale, they want to upgrade their scale, so CRM is a necessity. As I said, with the Zoho Books successfully launching for so many clients, and the clients are pushing me, and even I am getting a push from my own staff also to go for a different version and diversify. And myself being an auditor, I have a special liking for Zoho Analytics. We are at that point of time right now. What was the year 2000 for the Indian IT industry? I am seeing the same trend for the Indian accountants in current scenario. From there we had so many IT industries and so many IT companies have flourished. The same way our accounting professionals can flourish. There is a huge demand for the online accountant and outsourcing accountant globally, and it's required locally also with the emergence of so many laws like GST and so online accounting. So the outsource accounting is the key, and if you are interested in to cash in the opportunities in online outsource accounting, then you have to go with the cloud accounting. And if you want to go with the cloud accounting, then there is no better choice other than Zoho. Zoho is a complete package. You can go for it in a module wise also, and Zoho is scalable also. From the small business house to the large organization, it can fit for all business requirement. Zoho is not at all difficult. Best part is that the support team is always helpful. If you are stuck anywhere, just one phone call and your problem will be solved. It's a good opportunity to grow your business.